Shake it real hard. Shake it real hard. Does it feel like real hair?
It does.
And it's not even cut yet. We haven't done any cutting, but you can already tell it's much better. Longer, thicker, fuller. Feels like it's growing right out of your head. A little bit more of a, pull it all back so we can kind of see that front hairline. Yeah, that's crazy. Looks like it's growing right out of your head, huh?
It does.
So Callie's gonna give you a cut and a style. I'll see you downstairs in a little bit. So what did you think?
I love it.
Do you?
Yep.
Oh my goodness.
It's crazy.
Stand in front of that on stage thing over here so I can,
Don't show anybody.
you did already?
Yes.
Yeah, so I'm just trying to get my salon name in the background while I see the whole thing. I want to get that on. Isn't that crazy? Looks like it's growing right out of your head, huh? It feels like it too, huh?
Yeah.
When you pull on it, it's pulling
Right.
on
You
your
don't.
scalp.
You don't notice. You don't. You know, I thought I was gonna feel like I had something sitting on my head, and I don't at all.
You saw them high-fiving over you.
I see that.
I think she's happier than you.
I'm so happy.
She's happier than you.